Need to flush out different thickness tiles? Watch this.
This tile is a little thicker than this one. I think I'm gonna need a deeper trowel. So this is the wall tile. It's just an 8x8 ceramic white wall tile. And this is going to be the feature stripe that goes through on the walls and through the niche. And this is going to be in the back of the niche. It's going to be about 5 rows. So I'm going to be mounting this on a sheet membrane so that I can make it work. Now if I put these together, this tile is a little thicker than this one. And then by the time I get the thin set on here, it's going to be even higher. So I'm going to have to build this up. So the easiest way to do that is get a membrane, a sheet membrane, and cement the tile to the sheet membrane. Now I'm exactly even with this here. So, and this, after a couple of days, you set this on the membrane. Then after a couple of days, it becomes a panel. So you do need to let it dry for a couple of days. So anyway, I have all my nice sheets all ready to go. So I got 1, 2, there's like 6 sheets. So I'm gonna first spread my thin set with this trowel. It's an 1/8 inch square notch trowel. And then I'm gonna flatten the ridges with the putty knife. Then I'm gonna set my tile. I'm gonna beat it in with the rubber float, and then that'll be all done. So let's get to it. Okay, because this is glass, I'm using an ANSI A118.15 mortar, high polymer mortar.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Actually, almost forgot. I think I'm gonna need a deeper trowel. Okay, so I'm gonna use a deeper trowel. This is why you always check your coverage. That's much better. I'm not taking off any material, just flattening the ridges so it doesn't squeeze through. Okay, so I'll do the rest of them like that.